This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to access the dark web safely. This video is educational purpose only. So let's go. First, you need to download the Tor browser. Go to your browser and search for Tor browser download. Click the first link and go to the site. Click Download Linux option. When the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Now open your Linux terminal and type cd downloads. Then type ls. Now type cd Tor Browser. Then type ls. Type /start Tor Browser.desktop register app. Now, the Tor browser is successfully installed on your computer. Now, search for Tor browser in your applications, right-click on it. Select Add to Desktop and Add to Panel options. Now you can see Tor browser is on your desktop and panel. Now let's set up Tor browser for safety browsing. Open Tor browser and click Connect button. Wait a few minutes for the Tor browser to load. Click the three-line icon in the top right corner. Now click Settings. Go to Connection section and turn on Network Bridge. Choose a network bridge. Now go to the Privacy and Security option and disable all permissions. That's all. Now you're ready to browsing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Goodbye.